Hello friends, welcome to Learning. My name is Dr. Ben. Today, we are going to learn some awesome stuff. Learning is for everyone. Let's make it fun and let's enjoy. In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate for you the Excel sum function. We're going to add two cells and add a range of cells. In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the sum function to add cell values. We can add individual values or a range of values in Excel. Let's open a blank Excel worksheet. As you can see, I have a blank worksheet open and ready to go. Today, we're going to add two cell values. Click into cell A1 to activate it. Type the number 20 in cell A1. Press the Enter key or Return key on your keyboard. Click into cell B1 to activate it. Type the number 15 in cell B1. Press the Enter key or Return key on your keyboard. Click into cell C1. This is where we are going to sum our two values, cell C1. Depress the equal sign on your keyboard. After that equal sign, type the word sum. Notice the drop-down menu and the sum function in capital letters. Double-click the word sum. The function appears in cell C1, right here, and also in the formula bar. The sum function requires at least two arguments from what we see in the syntax. This is our syntax right here. Please note, a function is simply a predefined formula, so you must use the equal sign. Every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. Now, click into cell A1. We're going to use what is called cell referencing. A cell reference identifies a cell's location in the worksheet based on its column letter and row number. Holding down your left mouse, drag the mouse from cell A1 into cell B1. Both cells should have what I call a border or marching ants surrounding them. Notice that in cell C1, we see a few reference numbers, A1:B1. You also see this in the formula bar. This is our range. Release your left mouse if you have not done so already. The cursor in cell C1 blinks after the argument B1. In cell B1, add a closed parentheses after the argument B1. Depress your Enter key on your keyboard. The sum 35 appears. Let's get fancy and add a range of cell values. Click into cell A5 and type the number 10. Click into cell B5. Type the number 20. Click into cell C5. Type the number 30. This is our range of numbers. Click into cell F6. Type the number 45. Click into cell G6. Type the number 55. Click into cell H6. Type the number 65. we're going to sum both these range of numbers. Click into cell J6. This is where we're going to end up with our sum in cell J6. In cell J6, type the equal sign and the word sum as you did before. Double-click on the sum function from the drop-down menu. Click into cell A5, holding down your left mouse. Drag the mouse all the way over to cell C5 and release. Notice the range of cells in both J6 and the formula bar. Click into the formula bar and add a comma after the argument C5. Take your mouse and click into cell F6. Drag that mouse from the cell F6 all the way over to H6 and release. In the formula bar, add a closed parentheses after the cell or the argument H6. Depress your return or enter key on your keyboard. Your sum is now 225 in cell J6. You have just added a range of numbers. In this lesson, I have demonstrated to you how to use the sum function to add two cell values and a range of cell values. I hope this lesson was helpful. Now it's time for you to practice what you have learned. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.